The primary components of walnut oil processing equipment include cleaning machines, crushing machines, pressing machines, and refining systems. Each of these plays an essential role in ensuring high-quality walnut oil production. For instance, advanced pressing machines with cold press technology help preserve the natural nutrients and the flavor of the walnut oil. Similarly, when purchasing equipment, it's important to consider not only the initial cost but also operational expenses, maintenance requirements, and energy efficiency. Some manufacturers offer customization options, which may increase the overall cost but provide better suitability for specific needs. Additionally, opting for well-known brands often ensures higher quality and better after-sales service. For those new to the industry, seeking advice from professionals or conducting thorough market research can be beneficial. Comparing quotes from different suppliers, visiting trade shows, and reading reviews are practical steps toward making an informed decision. Ultimately, investing in reliable walnut oil processing equipment can lead to efficient production, superior product quality,